Have you ever thought about yourself and wondered what will be your future in the next few years? Ever imagined the possible turning points in your life? Or had a realization that every choice you make can frame your future? Today, I will be introducing to you to self-realization. Let me make it more clear to you through an example, a story. A renowned car brand wanted to promote their line of vehicles, which just arrived on their lot. So they organized a rally event as a part of their promotional activity. The winner of the contest will be awarded with huge prize money along with a brand new car. They received hundreds of applications, out of which they have shortlisted 4 contestants based on the selection criteria set by the organizing committee. The contestants were given rigorous trainings and the trainers were provided with tools, tips and techniques to improve their skill, which were very crucial to win the rally. Finally, the day has come for the big rally event. The organizers provided the participants with roadmap, rules, regulations and objectives to win this rally event. Rally will take place in 4 terrains and stages. They have to complete each stage as per the instructions given. All the 4 contestants started happily with great confidence. The path of the highways were in good condition during the first stage, and therefore all the 4 contestants could complete it successfully. But from the stage 2 to 4, the driving conditions changed and the paths became tougher and tougher. The contestants began to feel the tension and discouragements rising in them. Our contestant number 1 was focused and had strong determination to reach his goal, and despite of harsh conditions, he pressed forward. He recollected and made use of all the tips he received during the training session, which helped him to reach the goal he set. Our second contestant knew all the tricks and tips to success, but the path wasn't very easy. He was overcome with fear and began to slow down. All he needed was a little bit of encouragement from his friends, which made him to move on and finish his goal too. Contestant 3 was struggling to recollect the tips that he had learned during his training session to make through the harsh situation. He kept on losing hope, though he wished to reach his goal. But the strong support from his family and friends pushed him through the difficult path. On the other hand, contestant 4 was very discouraged, seeing the difficulty level ahead, and gave up all the hope. He wasn't able to focus on the instructions he learned. He was not ready to be helped by anyone, in spite of all the support and encouragements he received. So he had to drop off from the contest. So what does the story signify? Who are the 4 contestants and what is this big relay event? This story shows the experience of different students during the course of their study, where they come across similar obstacles and difficulties in their path to reach the goal. Success entirely depends on the student's perception and attitude towards the subject and willingness to change as per the instructions and support given by teachers and parents. So now it's a time for self-realization. Reflect upon yourself and choose which category do you belong to. Are you contestant number 1, who is self-determined, focused and follows instruction? Or contestant number 2, focused, follows instruction but needs a little bit of encouragement? Or contestant number 3, not focused, struggles to follow instructions but has a willing heart and hence can be pushed forward? Or are you contestant number 4, neither ready to work hard nor listen to the instructions? The moral of the story is, difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. Hear instructions and be wise and refuse it not. A willing heart can bring you back to the right track. Never give up. Today it may be difficult. Tomorrow it might become worse. But day after tomorrow, it will be a sunshine.